This is problem number 1.43. Here, a particle A moves along the circle of radius 50 centimeters so that its radius vector related to point O rotates with the constant angular velocity 0.40 radian per second. Here, radius is equals to 50 centimeter, or we can say it is equals to 0.5 meter, and angular velocity with respect to point O is 0.4 radian per second. Find the modulus of velocity of the particle and the modulus and direction of its total acceleration. So here the particle is moving with the constant angular velocity with respect to point O. Now let us assume that the particle moved by a distance. Suppose if it is moved by this much of angle, that means this angle is rotated by theta. This angle is rotated by theta. But if we connect these equations, if this angle is rotated by theta, this angle will be rotated by 2 theta. This angle will be rotated by 2 theta. Suppose this point A moves by this distance, by this length of r in time t. That means with respect to O, it is rotated by theta in time t. Then this vector rotates with respect to center by an angle of 2 theta. That means if the angular velocity of point A with respect to O is omega, then the angular velocity of point A with respect to center will be 2 omega. So angular velocity, that is angular velocity with respect to center, will be 2 omega. Now we need to calculate the modulus of velocity of the particle. So velocity of the particle will be equals to omega dash into r. So omega dash is equals to 2 omega. So this will be equals to 2 omega into r. This will be equals to 2 into 0.4 into r is 0.5. This will be equals to 0.4 meter per second. Now we need to calculate the modulus and direction of its total acceleration. So here angular velocity is constant. That means tangential acceleration is 0. Tangential acceleration is always equals to 0. So we just need to calculate the radial acceleration. So radial acceleration will be equals to v square by r or omega square by r. So this will be equals to v square, the value of v square is equals to 0.4 whole square divided by radius is 0.5. So this will be equals to 0.32 meter per second. This is radial acceleration. Its total acceleration is towards its center. So total acceleration is also equals to radial acceleration, which is equals to 0.32 meter per second square, and towards center. This is the answer.